Hi guys, I bought this HDMI cable from AliExpress, which will convert HDMI port into VGA port. If your screen does not have an HDMI, use this cable. Buy it from AliExpress, it's very cheap. Now I can connect my HD graphic card with my VGA screen. With this cable, you can use your old screen. Take a closer look. VGA and here HDMI. You can find the link of this product on AliExpress in my description of this video, or search HDMI to VGA on the search box. The price is only $1. There is black and white. Let's see what other people says. Cheap and economical. Here some guys opened it up and there is a chipset. This person said, I take this adapter to the old monitor. This one recommend this cable and says it support 1080p resolution. Most reviews give 5 stars. Full HD resolution. It only works in one way, HD to VGA, not the opposite. You can use it with PC projectors and any device that output HDMI picture.